Good morning, Year 5. This is a home learning lesson in maths. Please mark your work from yesterday. Today you are going to be using mental multiplication strategies. Key vocabulary: multiply 10 times. Starter: multiples. Look at 5 numbers 1 to 10. Write a number which is a multiple of them all. Here are the numbers 9, 8, 5, 4 and 10. Think of a number which is a multiple of them all. The number could be 720. Look at the numbers 3, 7, 2, 9 and 1. Write a number which is multiple of them all. The number could be 630. Look at the numbers 5, 10, 3, 1 and 6. Write a number which is multiple of them all. The number could be 60. Your next task will be to think how you could work the multiplications on the next slide mentally. Here are the multiplications. 70 times 8 equals 120 times 6 equals, and 6 times 14 equals. Think what strategies can you use to multiply these numbers. 70 times 8 equals 560. If we multiply 7 times 8, we know 7 times 8 is 56. What we just need to do is to multiply it by 10, because it's 7 tenths in 70. 120 times 6 is 720. If we know that 12 times 6 is 72, what we need to do is to multiply 72 times 10, because it's 12 tenths in 120. 6 times 14 equals 84. We could partition 14, so we have 1 10 and 4 ones in 14. We can multiply 6 times 10 equals 60, and 6 times 4 equals 24. Then we can just add these numbers. So 6 times 14 is 84. Now try to multiply these numbers using only mental strategies. I solved these problems using my knowledge of times tables, partitioning, and multiplying by 10. 50 times 6 is 300. I know that 5 times 6 is 30, and then I need to multiply 30 by 10, because it's 5 tenths in 50. 49 times 6 equals 294. I know by partitioning number 49, I have 4 tenths and 9 ones. So 40 times 6 equals 240. And 9 times 6 is 54. When I add these two numbers, it equals 294. 51 times 6 equals 306. I know that 50 times 6 is 300, and 1 times 6 is 6. If I add 300 and I add 6 is 306. 20 times 4 equals 80. I know that 2 times 4 equals 8, and if I multiply it by 10, it will be 80. 19 times 4 equals 76. I know it's 110 in 19. If I multiply it by 4 equals 40. And it's 9 ones in 19. If I multiply it by 4 it's 36. If I add 40 and 36, this equals 76. 21 times 4 equals 84. I know 20 times 4 is 80 and 1 times 4 is 4. If I add 80 and 4, it's 84. Finally, multiply these numbers using mental multiplication strategies. 5 times 80 is 400. We know that 5 times 8 is 40. If we multiply 40 by 10, it's 400. 110 times 4 equals 440. We partition number 110. We have 100 and 110. So 100 times 4 is 400, 10 times 4 is 40. We add 440, which equals 440. 15 times 7 is 105. 10 times 7 is 70. 5 times 7 is 35. 70 plus 35 is 105. Please multiply these numbers using mental multiplication strategies you've learned during this lesson. Good luck, Year 5. Now it's time for short multiplication quiz. You'll find this link on the school homework website.